baby boom busted.
The numbers show families in America are not having enough babies to sustain the population and the economy. We asked News 10 NBC Chief Investigative Reporter Berkeley Breen to see if the problem is happening here. Burke?
Fred, it is the number of babies born here going down too, and that's a problem when so many adults are leaving New York State because of jobs and the cost of living. But what I found is the reasons behind the low birth rate are good reasons.
Just in Monroe County, the number of babies born between 2014 and 2017 dropped by more than 500, from more than 10,000 to just over 9,600.
Oh, I have so many happy memories.
At Rochester Fertility Care at Unity Hospital in Greece, Dr. Rosalind Hayes has a wall of baby pictures that she helped create. I asked her to explain the low birth rate. She says women are working more and waiting to get married and have a family.
And this is what you're seeing in the falling birth rate.
Do you find you're seeing more women who are older having babies?
Absolutely.
Dr. Hayes says the longer women wait, the fewer babies they have.